Angel is an academy. It is for underprivileged children who are living in slums. And Angel is an academy. It's an academy where we are grooming, like on every level. Under a pomegranate tree, there was a land. With the help of those students, only even I was small, we cleaned that plot. Under there was one pomegranate tree. Under the tree, I started my first class when I was in 8th standard. So it was in RK Puram. Then we shifted. There are 70. As I told you, I have started at a very early age. So some of my students like Sanjay, he joined me when he was 3 years old. Now today he is 19 years old. So like this, many students are there. So they help me in taking the classes and all. And every day there is a task. Everything is written. Every day there is a goal. Every week there is a goal. Every month there is a goal.
यहाँ पे स्टडी करते हैं और सुबह पार्क जाके खेलते हैं। उसके बाद आके अपना मतलब टाइम टेबल बना लेते हैं कि इस टाइम में ये पढ़ना है और इस टाइम में ये करना है सारा कुछ।
Now the day starts 4 a.m. They all get up at 4 a.m. They come to the park and we start with yoga and then some cardio kind of exercise. Then I teach them soccer. Then at 6:30 it's over. They go to their respective school where they hardly learn anything.
कि स्कूल में मैथ्स पढ़ाया जाता है?
पढ़ाया जाता है, पर समझाया जाता है।
सही से
समझाते हैं। टीचर आएंगे, कल ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिख दिया और बोल दिया कि ऐसे ऐसे कर लेना, बस करते रहते हैं हम। कल लिख के
समझाते नहीं है, याद करने को बोलते हैं। मैं
हाँ, बस ऐसे बोला रहता है, मारने के लिए याद ही कराए सही से।
अपने मोबाइल पे बात करते रहेंगे।
मोबाइल पे बात करते हैं?
और जब पेपर होगा, पेपर टाइम जब कम नंबर आएंगे तो बोलेंगे कि ढंग से पढ़ाई नहीं करते।
Part of 70 strength girls ratio is less. You can say 30 will be rest will be boys.
अब मेरे पापा मना कर देते पार्क जाने से।
आपको क्यों लगता है वो मना क्यों करते हैं आपको यहाँ आने से?
मैं नहीं पूछती।
Some of the parents, it's not every parent. Some of the parents they are very supportive to see, but some of them are very, they live, the kind of environment they live in, and it's very surprising. They will allow the child to go in the night to work and all. That is their agreed, but to come in a group, they won't allow. So many, months, year, everybody knows here, but everybody praises me, but nobody gives them. Now, for example, if one student is good at painting, if I don't provide him crayons, sheets, and I just praise him, will he be able to do anything or achieve anything? I have to provide them materials. Then I can be strict, or I can the expectation level can, from there it can. Even initially I cannot have expectation because they never got this. So initially I have to give them the way they like. Then slowly I can bring discipline to it. Slowly I can put them, they have reached certain level. Then I can raise the standard. Another example I can give. There was one guy who said hepatitis B vaccination. I'll do it. I said okay. At that time I was having only 40 students. Then he got one form. There was 486 or something, all imported vaccination. One hepatitis B vaccination at the time it used to cost 700 to 800 rupees, imported one. So I thought maybe in the slum, the same slum where Angel is there are many children are there. Only I have 60 to 70, at the time 40. So I thought maybe the whole slum children are getting vaccinated. I said very good, I am very happy. He said no, it's only for angels. Then I said no, you are mistaken. I have only 40 students, maybe 5 or 6 more. So 40 are the one who come regularly. I said, nahi Sylvester, you understand. Then I got the message. I said, if I sign this document, you are not going to give one more also. And even in the park, one of my known person said, I'll give milk. Milk will be given from our group. And he never. And I came to know that he told another friend of mine. He told him that he in fact, Sylvester is very sincere, and his students are they come every day. So he was having, if I start giving them milk, I have to give them every day. And they are very wealthy. They can, one time they can give 5 times. I'm going to register, and the process is on. So because I need grants and all, without grants I cannot move. So for that I'm registering it. The process has started, so it will take some time. So that because my biggest worry here is because during election I become popular here. Many politicians they approach me through the secretary, I don't support anybody. I told only very simple answer I gave to them. I'm very small in front of you, your profile and all. Still you are seeing some impact. You know, I can influence some people here because of my work. If you do, people do work, you don't have to come for campaigning also. People will vote for you. So, you know, it's like that. And I ask them, give me a place, give me a land. Because every time there is one thing which worries me is the slum may get demolished. Once this slum gets demolished, all my hard work, it's more than now 20 years, more than, I'm 35 now, it's more than 20 years if I calculate the age of 13 to now. It's more than 20 years I've been into this field. And that all, whatever you're saying will go, because I'm training them for Indian team. So my target, my Olympics, that is my dream. And that is my goal, that is my target. And some of my students who played the match against Mamta Model, they said, sir told we will be sponsoring them. Sponsoring them in the means they will be allowing them to play matches with them. And they will be selected inside on merit basis, not because they are poor. But still their love is increasing day by day. That's why I always say nobody falls in love. If love is honest, you rise in love. So in Angels, everybody are rising through love.